Welcome back to the Crypto Vector channel, where today I'm going to be talking to you about a fully non-EVM and EVM interoperable ecosystem, right? It's called LayerOneX, and I'm about to get into a lot of different features, how to buy, how to build, and how to take advantage of this enormous ecosystem for yourself. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the blockchain, crypto, or NFT world. And with that being said, let's just dive straight into it. All right, so the first thing we can notice is an absolute abundance of followers. And the first thing that you guys probably noticed is that I'm in a different location at the moment. It's because I have been on the move. It's a cheeky Airbnb in Toronto where you guys can find me, if we do host some sort of an event later on. But in general, the first thing that we can see is a lot of followers on these guys' Twitter page. I'm going to give them a follow. And as always, all of the links will be in the description below for all of you to find them and interact with the team, the developers, and the LayerOneX Foundation. Now, there is a lot of interesting things within this ecosystem itself. My goal today for this video is to introduce you guys to every single one of them and show you how you can benefit from this ecosystem. So there's no better way to start off than the homepage of their website, where you will find that the public sale is open at this point. What this means is that you can literally press the buy button and purchase one of, as you can see, just right here. So all you need to do is type your name, last name, email. It's pretty simple, kind of verify your country and whatever, and you buy the L1X coin. Now, why would you buy the L1X coin? Well, that's a good question, and we're going to get into that over time. First and foremost, it's a fully decentralized blockchain, providing unrivaled interoperability, scalability, speed, and security. So this is what you would expect from a typical blockchain, right? But there's more, The LayerOneX ecosystem is partnered with some of the world's leading organizations to enable the Web3 world to grow and expand and, all sustainably into the future, right? So you have L1X Labs, you have the Prism Group, and you have UWA. And this is what these guys are actually doing, right? They developed the LayerOneX ecosystem to be truly decentralized, permissionless, absolutely, the best blockchain on the planet, right? It's secure and it's out there enabling micro validation and tokenization, which is a revolutionary concept. Now, the white paper and the light paper I am going to attach in the description below. So make sure to check that out, because it is probably a very important point before investing into any project out there. So I'm going to take care of you when it comes to that. But when it comes to interoperability, what these guys are doing is enabling you to connect your smart contracts, build them, and connect your dApps to them with this LayerOneX VM or EVM. So you can easily move data, digital assets, content, and tokens across chains, wallets, or digital worlds very fast, very securely, and at a very low cost. Right? It's very important. Now, next up, you have scalability, right? A superior infrastructure for decentralized applications, or dApps, as they like to call them, or dApps, as I like to call them, where scalability almost comes with instant finality. Now, this is something that I've never seen before until I stumbled upon LayerOneX. So what this means is that 1x VM on Rust opens up the potential of executing more than 100,000 transactions per second with lower transaction fees. It's also protected by mobile proof of participation and proof of consensus, two also new and completely revolutionary concepts which you should keep in mind as well when it comes to the LayerOneX ecosystem. So these hashed zero knowledge proof they actually hashed it for fast transaction validation without mining or specialist hardware, and any smart device can actually join the decentralized consensus mechanism very simply. It is one of the fastest, or the fastest, operating system on the blockchain in the entire world, right? LayerOneX is immensely scalable. These are very, very low fees. It has 100,000 transactions per second and a less than 500 milliseconds network block creation time, which makes it one of the most, how should I say this, not unrivalable, but one of the most competitive ecosystems in the entire world. Due to their rapid speeds, due to all of these validators that they have, they are able to provide all of these things to all of us, right? So they aim to put the world's 8.6 billion smart devices to work for micro validation, fast confirmation, and higher throughput, right? What this means is that they are literally trying to create, remember the Internet of Things and everybody being connected? Well, micro validation stems from that idea, if I'm correct, right? And if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments down below. Now it's low cost, so super low transaction fees with LayerOneX as well, where the robustness, security, and efficiency of these validation models lie in the random group formation and leader node selection, which is why they're able to guarantee these low cost transactions. Now, it's an entire world open to new use cases in the Web3 world, right? You can build very fast, secure, and inexpensive DeFi apps, technology, and whatnot. Medical sector, right? It's very important as well. You can securely transfer anything when it comes to medical records or patient history, right? So you can literally build encrypted EMR systems connected by the HealthLink protocol, giving health providers, insurers, and patients greater control and security for sensitive personal medical rewards. Absolutely stunning, right? But obviously there's more. Safe and secure environment for gamers and developers, right? A market expected to grow to $256 billion by 2025. LayerOneX interoperability will offer improved transactions and security for in-game skins, characters, items, and digital twins. Also pretty cool, right? Drop a like if you enjoyed it so far. Now we have efficient automated smart contracts for micropayments, right? Where microtransactions for everyday purchases are now feasible with close to instantaneous processing from the mempool, creating a new era of rights management and commerce. Also pretty cool. Decentralized digital identity management, right? Reducing the risks of private data loss with authorization based on smart contracts. You can give users or clients greater portability of their digital identity with self-managed services. And lastly, building and maintaining supply chains and contracts at low cost. And this is not, lastly, there's going to be a lot more things that you are able to do with this blockchain, but it's just an introduction into what these guys are actually capable of achieving with their ecosystem. Before I move on, there is some exciting news coming out. Literally a day from the time you see this video, the beta or the mainnet beta of the L1X mainnet will be coming out, okay? And it brings a lot of features to the table that we are able to explore literally a day from now. So let's get into these features, right? LayerOneX is actually bringing a huge change to blockchain technology, or as we like to call it, a whole new era. The phase 1 of the mainnet beta period commences this Thursday. If you want to learn more about the roadmap or, check out the beta, links in the description below. Now, here's a little sneak peek of what is going to be happening within this time. First of all, building the foundation, right? As you guys already know, LayerOneX is a playground for both developers and projects. So having in mind that they are releasing smart contract standards and interfaces, it makes it a lot easier to build and deploy custom smart contracts, right? Very important, but there's more, right? If you want to claim your L1X tokens, you can do so, and you can learn how to do it through this beta. So make sure to click the links on Thursday once it's open. Staking and hosting nodes. If you want to be a node or a full validator node, you can do so with just 100 L1X coins. You can also use L1X coins as gas fees to make your experience a lot easier on the whole L1X ecosystem. And obviously, if you want to check out the developer portal and explorer, you can check out all the docs and learn everything about the statistics as well. Now, these guys have continuously been progressing throughout the past few years, and they are developing, scaling up into the future and providing a larger and larger security for the entire L1X ecosystem to make it safer, more affordable, and more powerful for you and me, of course. Now, if you want to join everybody on this journey, make sure to do so. Set the stage for the full mainnet launch with the team. It's happening in January of 2022. I'm going to be there. You should be there as well. There is a special AMA on Thursday, 31st of August, if you want to check that out as well. But most importantly, August 31st, mainnet beta launch. And let's move on with the rest of the video. The last one is, or not the last one, as I said, it's mitigating disruptions with contingency pipelines. So traceability with mutable records of provenance and possession to ensure a consistent chain of authenticity. Now, they're powering a lot of apps and services on the blockchain already, as you can see right here, HealthLink being one of my favorite ones, and they're trying to build a decentralized future, right? With over 7,500 cryptocurrencies in the world and counting, choose to bring on one of them that chooses to bring all of them together. It's pretty cool, right? Now, next up, why would you actually purchase it, right? There is a lot of benefits when it comes to X stock, for example. And these are some of the features that make these guys one of the most utilized blockchains, potentially in the future. And this is why I'm bringing the project to you in crypto history, right? Native interoperability with Xtalk, no risky bridges, no risking your money, risking your assets, moving from one chain to another. These guys enable instant transfers of tokens, NFTs, and smart contract logic across a network of chains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Phantom, and a lot more to come. An expanded user base and liquidity is what you can expect immediately. Universal gas tokens, right? Connecting all of these chains together. Cost-efficient transactions, absolutely insane. As you can see, it's 0 and a lot of other zeros and then a 1. Mobile device validation and rewards, so micro validators. AI and encryption technology to secure your data. It's very important. And the next-gen wallet experience for you to send crypto as safely as sending a text. Just make sure you send it to the right person, obviously, right? Now, I am pretty intrigued by this entire project. There's a lot about the roadmap as well and what these guys are planning to do all the way into 2024 and 2025. But Xtalk is one of the most interesting architectures I have seen so far. So the cross-chain communication, connection, data transfer, and verification is only possible when Xtalk is connected to this virtual machine, right? And it all comes with aggregation, transfer of logic, full decentralization, improved reliability, cross-chain, and the architecture obviously using adapters, translators, and a lot of other tech stuff that I'm not going to get into right now to improve user experience and increase your capital's efficiency. Now, everything is very nicely explained on the website. I'm not going to bore you too much about this right now. If you want to accelerate your blockchain development yourself, you can use this ecosystem as well by clicking on the link down below. If you want to purchase a little bit of LayerOneX coin, you can do it literally clicking the buy button on the website, right? Link will be right down below. And if you want to learn more about exactly what these guys are doing in DeFi, how to configure everything, why it reduces costs, why it's very fast in growing, why they're a growing community, why they allow your blockchain project to hit the market very quickly, you can check out the DeFi section of the website. They also have a Medium, and the white paper will be attached in the description below as always. Now, this is one of the most interesting projects I've reviewed so far, and I'm not going to lie to you, I might even come back and make a follow-up video explaining the tech in a little bit more detail if you guys are interested. So make sure to drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing to anything in the blockchain, crypto, or NFT world. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.